Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on applied visual design with CSS. We're going to learn about tertiary colors. When we create colors from CSS to display colors on the computer screen, it combines different amounts of red, green, and blue light. This is known as RGB active color model in modern color theory. So red is R, green is G, blue is blue, and these are the primary colors. And when you can mix these two primary colors, you create secondary colors. So cyan is green and blue, magenta, yellow. And these secondary colors happen to be the complement to the primary color not used in their creation and are opposite to that primary color on the color wheel. For example, magenta is made with red and blue and its complement to the green. Because just how the wheel works. How it's like a triangle, you know, and then there's if you go across, there's nothing there with just the three, but if you add these combination, you have them. Tertiary colors are the results of combining a primary color with a secondary color. For example, within the RGB color model, red as the primary, yellow as the secondary makes orange tertiary color. And this adds 6 more colors to the simple color wheel for a total of 12. So this makes more colors. It starts with 3, and then you go to 6, and now you're at 12. And this talks about how you can use these different colors together. And the 3 colors provide a strong visual contrast in the design, but are more subtle than using 2 complementary colors. And that's using the split complementary color scheme in tertiary, when it starts with a base color, then pairs it off with 2 colors that are adjacent to its complement. So here's an example of it. And we can use the hex code to see like, oh yeah, how it complements each other. See here, opposites, opposite, and then this is like a half. And then this is like a half over here. So we want to change the background color property of the orange, cyan, and raspberry color to their respective colors. And these follow the split complementary color schemes. So all we can do is just copy and paste it. So orange, cyan, raspberry, and there you go. And this is important to know because when you're creating websites, creating apps, you gotta think about the design and what you want your colors to represent to the users. And that's all for this one. Thank you.